Welcome back to Worthington Model Railway. I mentioned in a video I did earlier in the week that I was expecting a package from Rails of Sheffield, and it's arrived. So it was very well packed, unlike the one I got from Hatton's, which was nowhere near as well packed as this one. But let's open it up and see what goodies we have in here. Rails always do an excellent job of packing. I mean, everything in here is individually packed in bubble wrap and some extra packaging to make sure everything's good. So, let's see what we have. So, as part of my 009 area, I ordered some of these Bachmann Scenecraft buildings. This one is the Narrowgate Slate Processing Building, so that will go on the layout. The other building I ordered is another slate building to go with that area, and this one is the narrow gauge Slate Built Engine Shed, so that will also go in there. And the other goodie we have in here is a new locomotive, and this one is da-da-da. You can see that, but it's the LNER V2, the outline black, early emblem, DCC sound fitted. There's a little tested mark on there, which is usually a good sign. It means somebody's looked at it. So remove this. So here's the locomotive. We will open all these up and take a little bit more detailed look in a minute. Okay, what else do we have in here? We have some slate loads for wagons. And we have some NEM couplings that I have had an order for a while. I've been waiting for those to come in. And I think that looks to be it for this order. So let's open some of these boxes up and have a better look at these items. Let's start off with the engine shed. As you can see on the back here, there are various different things that they have in this Scenecraft range for the narrow gauge stuff. But I thought I'd start with this engine shed. So here is the Slate engine shed. looks very nice. The slate detail is phenomenal. Chimney, and the doors are there. The interesting thing is they even have the detail on the walls on the inside. You can see that there. Get the light on that. Nice window details on both sides. Very pleased with that. I don't think I could have built something as nice as that. There we go. Very nicely packaged. This one is just as nice as the other one. Phenomenal detail there on the roof, and the walls are really nicely done. And this door. This doesn't have the inside detail, but it really doesn't need it. End door is very nice. I love the way the slate on the buildings are done. Very pleased with these, and we will temporarily put them somewhere close to where they're going to go, and then we'll work out afterwards as we lay the track exactly what we're going to do with them. But those are very nice. So here we have the slate buildings on the layout, and I think they look great here. There's the engine shed. Let's zoom in a little. Here we can see the processing building and the piles of slates ready to be picked up. And there's the piles of slates waiting to be picked up. Here's the building with the tracks. I'm pretty pleased with how these have come together. Now I just need to get that track properly laid. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked this quick unboxing video and the slate buildings. I will do a full video on the V2 once I get that out of the box and go look at it and get it all set up for DCC and what have you. We'll do a full review. We can listen to the sounds. So in the meantime, if you liked the video, please like. If you haven't subscribed, use the button to the top right to subscribe. You'll find it on the video to the top left.